scientifically known as Philippines. These birds can be found in Bohol, Samar, Leyte, Catanduanes, and Quezon City. And meet our Brahminicae, here comes Queen, scientifically known as Calimus crucificus, one of the 446 species birds of prey around the world. These birds can be found in India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Pakistan, along China, including the Philippines. And meet our Brahminicae, here comes Shadow, and they're locally known as Lawin or Banog in Visayas region. Everyone, here comes our chickens! Wow, so cute! And as you can see, we have our homing pigeons. Homing pigeons has an innate homing ability, meaning that they return to its nest and eggs. How about a round of applause for our raptors, our chicken, and our homing pigeons?